I've got a new light. I got it off TikTok. Oh. She's a baddie. She is. Can't deny it. I'm not even looking at the camera. I've not even turned it off. Fucking hell. Are we recording? I think so, because it's got the thing on it. So I recorded a whole video. Like, I'm talking like 45 minutes. No, it's probably half an hour. I'm exaggerating. But I recorded such a big video last week. And I did it all, or was it the week? It might have been the week before. And I did it all in slow-mo. And it's not the first time I've done it. And it probably won't be the last. And I can see some little like audio things that are clicking on the screen right now, but I honestly don't know if this is going to be in slow-mo or not. So let's hope and pray that it's not, because I want to deliver a YouTube video. But it disheartened me, I'm not going to lie. I sat down to edit it. I thought this is going to be a really, really good video. The content was amazing. And there was nothing there. And I know what you're saying, like, Lid, maybe we could just speed the video up. Like, let's reverse engineer the slow-mo. No, because it doesn't record the audio if you record it in slow-mo. It wasn't fun. The thing about me, hold on. The thing about me is I am very clever on a lot of scales. Common sense wise, I missed the mark many times. Like I had a few epiphanies the other year. Like, window wipers are called window wipers because they wipe your windows. Pot noodle is because it's a noodle in a pot. It's literally say what you see. Frying pan is because you fry things in it and it's a pan. Like, so yeah, recording things in slow-mo. It's happened like 5 times now. So anyway, oh my god, I've got dirty socks in my hands and everything. I don't know what I'm doing. So anyway, I thought I would just do a little video tonight, a little reminder, a little pick you up kind of thing. And I thought I would do it in, it's not my new bedroom, but I've painted the paneling this weekend. That's been how I've got a fucking life this weekend. When I say I have not had a single thought in my head all weekend, I've just been chilling out, releasing resistance, having fun in my own world. I've not seen anybody until today this weekend. You don't need to see other people to have fun. I've honestly been on cloud 9 all weekend, and this was green before and now it's not. It is Egyptian cotton. It doesn't look like the Dulux colour Egyptian cotton. That colour is annoying, but anyway, I love the outcome. I'm not gonna lie, from what I can see in this little screen, I really did think it was going to be more aesthetic looking, like you see on other people's, you know, like the proper like influencers. I think it's because my bed doesn't go in the middle of my room. But anyway, here's a different aesthetic for you. I just thought I would come on today and remind you all that your success, your goals, your manifestations, your desires, they're inevitable. They are fucking inevitable. Inevitable means, no, every time I'm trying to be motivational. Inevitable means it's going to happen. It has no choice but to happen. Don't quote me on that, because I don't know if that's technically what it means, but that's what I take it to mean. It has to happen. This is how, when I'm losing faith, when I might have some resistance, when I'm having a bad day, maybe I'm just hungry and I've not clocked that yet. But when I'm having a dip of faith and my fear is kind of taking over the show, my doubts are taking over the show, this is what I anchor back in. Your self-concept, your beliefs in life, not even from a manifestation perspective. Even Tony Robbins talks about this psychological perspective. It is the blueprint for your life. So when you change the blueprint, it has to change. It has no choice. When you change the beliefs that are hardwired in your brain, when you rewire them to the new reality, or even just a slight shift in them, like instead of hating yourself, you start to kind of accept yourself. And then maybe you start to kind of like yourself. And God forbid, you end up loving yourself. Your life is going to change. When you rewire your beliefs, when you are programming your mind, it has to change. Therefore, your goals, it's inevitable. It has to happen. It has to happen. It has to happen. I can't stress this enough. This is something that I really, really anchor in. I have to believe it. And then on top of that, I will give myself 20 ways as to why I believe this. Why do I believe it has to happen? Why do I believe it's going to happen? 20 reasons that day. Then I'll do it again the next day. Then I'll do it until I've come out of that mood and I remind myself, okay, actually I'm a bad bitch. I can have anything I want. If other people can have it, so can I. What I want, honestly, quite frankly, and this goes for a lot of you, quite small in the grand scheme of things. Like compared to things other people manifest or other people's goals, when you compare like to, I don't know, what like, I was going to say the Prince of Scotland, but like a member of the royal family like manifesting, no. When you think about some of the things that other people might be manifesting, not that it matters, but say for example, there are some people right now manifesting £1 million months. I can't comprehend that yet. I'm going to be quite honest, I can't comprehend that yet. But there is somebody out there manifesting that for themselves and they're going to get it. And then there's me with my business goal, which is a far cry from that. But guess what? I'm going to get it. Like, you are going to get it. Because that's what you're striving towards. And when you stay committed, like, hold on. It's going to happen when you stay committed and you keep applying it. Even if you have like a bad week, bad month, bring yourself back on track, get back to plan, keep applying it, stay committed. Because that's where the magic's going to happen. Like, honestly, yeah, it's probably not going to happen if you decide on a Sunday to script, say an hour worth of affirmations, and then do fuck all for 6 months. Don't take any action towards the goal. Don't program your mind towards it. Don't do resistance work around it. Like, obviously, it's not going to turn up then. Obviously. But if you are doing the mindset work, you've got your manifestation routine, you're releasing resistance and you're having fucking fun until it turns up. You don't even have to have fun until it turns up. That is just my favourite way to detach. And it's my favourite way to teach you guys to detach. Because I want you to get a fucking life, babe. Because life's too short to be spending it waiting and wondering and being miserable and desperate. It's going to happen. It's going to happen, it's going to happen, it's going to happen. Listen to this every time you're having a dip. Listen to it every morning if you need to. Let me be your motivation. Is there a Kelly Rowland song that says that? I'm not going to sing it because I don't know the words. But if I did know the words, I'd be singing to you right now. Trust in the process. I think a lot of us are impatient, not even due to our own fault, due to Instagram, social media, just that instant gratification, instant notifications, instant noodles. Instant, don't know why that came to mind. You know, McDonald's have delivery now. Like, we live in an age where McDonald's has delivery. Everything comes fast now. And so when it comes to actual life things, like even my attention span, since I mean, I love TikTok. TikTok, mwah, 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 mwah. You are my bread and butter, you're my business. I love you, mwah, mwah. But my attention span, I feel like I can't watch films anymore. Like, everything is just so fast. We consume things so fast. We eat things so fast. We spend things so fast. So when it comes to actual life stuff, bear in mind, it takes 9 months to make a baby. I think it takes 18 months to make a baby elephant. And then trees take years to grow. Like, listen, the day you plant the seed is not the day you put your fruit. Stop being a baby, have a bit of patience. Like, obviously, if it's been taking you 6 years, you probably need to, you know, address some of the beliefs you've got going on and your, you know, manifestation methods. But just have faith, have patience, take your time and trust. This is why the getting a fucking life part is really important, because the more fun you have, the less you're going to focus on how long it's taken, and the less you're going to actually care about how long it's taken too. So that's my little, what are we on, 8 minutes? Yeah, that's not too bad. So that's my little piece of motivation for today. I know I haven't posted a video in a few weeks, so I just wanted it to be quick, pack a punch, and just remind you that you are the baddest bitch, baddest bad man on the planet. You can have anything that you want. You can do anything that you want. You can manifest anything that you fucking want, and it is going to happen. Apply, apply, apply. Trust, trust, trust. Chill the fuck out and have fun. Have so much fun until it turns up, because you deserve it, and you are going to get everything. Okay, thank you for listening. Quick reminder before I leave, do not forget I have a manifestation gang and it is fucking fabulous. I have exclusive sleep affirmations for you in there, exclusive EFTs, meditations, all the workshops I've ever created. Like, it's so good. It's so fucking good. Daily support, so you can ask your questions in there and I will answer it. Like, with over 70,000 followers now, it's getting really hard for me to answer DMs. It has been like that way for about 6 months. In that group, I can answer your questions. Also, monthly trainings, monthly group coachings. What more could you want? I've got you. This is everything I was looking for when I was trying to manifest the life I've got now. Like, full-time content creator, travel whenever I want, have the money that I want, body that I want. Like, it's endless. Like, and the confidence and the stuff. Mwah. I'm giving you everything that I was looking for, everything that I needed, and everything you're looking for right now. I've put it in one place for you. I have saved you so many months and years of trying to figure it out, because that's how long I spent trying to figure it out. I'm making it easy for you. Let it be easy for you. Okay? So if you want to join the membership, the link is down below, and I will see you next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you.